I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm a music teacher. I'm wondering what your opinion is on classroom teachers keeping kids out of specials as a punishment for an earlier behavior issue. My thought is that they are basically saying specials are unimportant. You're right. That's what they're saying. You're right. They're telling them that, hey, listen, specials aren't important, but my class is. For one thing, that's just not being nice to your colleagues, all right? So I'm just going to say that right up front. Music, art, media, technology, those are all very important, and they should be treated that way. I think two things have happened. One is we have sent a message to kids when they get in line and they go to a special that it's kind of our planning period. It's whatever, we have to do, make phone calls. And so they go to special. And we often say, you have specials today, and it's going to be PE, or it's going to be art, it's going to be music. And it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of delivered to them as not important. So now the double whammy is if I take the special away because they didn't behave in the classroom, I'm sending a giant message that it's not important. So what's happening is kind of a colleague not working with colleague situation. So in specials, we know we often deal with a lot of behavior issues because of that. So we've got to change that perception for kids. So have that conversation with your colleague and tell them the perception that we give kids is that it's not important. So don't do it. Do not take a special away as punishment for a classroom behavior. There's a better way to deal with that classroom behavior. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.